So we are going to start putting the corner together for panel 1 and 13. And this corner right here is panel number 1. And the reason we know that this is the bottom corner is because on the bottom it has 1 and 1 on both sides of the foam. But we always have the stamp in the bottom left-hand corner. That's how you know that you're always at the bottom left. And we're looking at that from the inside of the house. So you're always making sure that that's on your bottom left. So we've already installed this corner lumber into this panel right here. We have that glued, and in this case we screwed it together. Now we're going to go over to panel number 13 and install the corner lumber in. Now the key to the corner lumber, we already have this pre-cut here at the edge, but the key is the bottom, to have 1.5 inches at your bottom all the time. So this we have to go a hair more to maintain that, because we don't want the panel to rest up on the plate. We want it to be just a hair over 1.5 inches. See that? Just in between 1.5 inches and 1 9/16. And now we've put the Manus bond in. We're going to just make sure we get that piece in. And there's air tucked behind that Manus. So you want to get all that air out of it and get it flush with the edge of the skin. Then you can go ahead and screw it in every 6 to 8 inches on center. Just make sure you're flush the whole way. Now remember, you can nail or staple this. At the Habitat house here today, we do not have an air compressor on site, so we are screwing it all together. But we're going to have volunteers do this, so we'll be setting okay. Try not to put a screw into where the electrical chase is. Just try to make that a habit all the way around the panel. Try to not put a fastener where that electrical chase is. You can see this red line. That's where that chase goes all the way through. Again, this is panel number 13, which is connecting to panel number 1. That's our bottom left-hand corner with that stamp. That has our UL listing and all of our code requirements on it. Okay.